Château Nice, south of France. Who's that lady on the yellow? Okay, we're gonna head down to the beach. August 12 at Château Nice, south of France.
There's another lookout down here.
That way. Okay. There it is. August 12 in south of France, on the highest point. We're still in the city of Nice, it's south of France. We're downtown. Well, I'm not sure if this is downtown, but it looks downtown to me, part of Nice. Waiting for a cab to go to Monaco. Where's Sam? Augustine, we just got her in South France, city of Nice. We're at the beach waiting to check in. So our hotel is just across from the water, so we decided to wait around here at the beach. So this is what the people do out here. They paragliding, parasailing. We're gonna do those in a little bit, but rest for maybe a couple hours. We're so tired. It's so nice out here. This is where we're staying, just behind this building. This is a nice patio place on the beach. There's a lot of places where we can rent wetsuit. Time. We're almost close to Monaco. Now we're in Monaco. Oh, I think we are in Monaco. Just waiting to get off. Look at the panoramic view. At the highest point in Monaco. Was it 11?
Awake. Number 1,
There's a very
2020.
huge,
Find
expensive
relief
yacht down
from
there.
stress. Are you stressed?
Everyone has stress to some degree. Yet, I am overwhelmed.
The cost of the
It is
bill.
not wonderful.
While waiting for Sab, she went into the casino. I didn't want to play because I don't know how to play roulette, so I'm just here hanging out here. Today is August 11th.
The footnote reads, names have been changed. End of footnote. My wife left me, and I had to raise 2 children on my own. It was hard being a single parent. On top of that, I lost my job, and I couldn't afford to get my vehicle inspected for registration. I had no idea how to stress was overwhelming. I knew deep down
The other
that it
side
was
of Le
wrong to
Casino
kill myself. So I
in
begged
Monaco,
God to end
August
my
11,
misery.
2019. I'm a little bit tipsy
Like
here.
Bill and Barry, do you sometimes feel overwhelmed with stress? If so, may the following articles comfort and help you. They examine common causes of stress, how stress can affect us, and how we can get at least a measure of stress relief. End of article.
We are waiting for our second starter snacks at the Nobu restaurant, Japanese place in Monaco, Monte Carlo. Where am I?
My God, my bra's out.
Sorry about the
So this is how it is here in Monaco. It is now past 8 p.m. and people are still on the beach right now still. So you can still hang out at the beach until past 10. They don't get dark here. They get dark so late.